Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make Fish Shanghai, a delightful and easy-to-prepare dish. We'll walk through each step to create crispy, flavorful spring rolls that are perfect for any occasion. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of firm fish, like galangong, along with some finely chopped vegetables. Don't forget your spring roll wrappers, an egg for sealing, and cooking oil for frying. This method is straightforward and yields fantastic results. Now, let's get our fish ready for the filling. Begin by cooking about 1 pound of your chosen fish until it's tender, then carefully flake it, making sure to remove any bones. This step is crucial for a smooth filling. Next, in a mixing bowl, combine the flaked fish with finely chopped onions, carrots, and 1 beaten egg. Season this mixture generously with salt and pepper to your liking. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. With our delicious filling prepared, it's time to wrap our spring rolls. Take 1 spring roll wrapper and lay it flat in a diamond shape on a clean surface. Scoop about 2 tablespoons of the fish mixture and place it near the bottom corner of the wrapper. Now, fold the bottom corner snugly over the filling, then fold in the left and right sides towards the center. Roll the wrapper tightly upwards to create a neat cylinder, and use a little egg wash to seal the top edge securely. Repeat for all your rolls. Finally, let's fry these delicious Fish Shanghai spring rolls to golden perfection. Heat about 4 cups of cooking oil in a deep pan to approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the spring rolls into the hot oil in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Drain any excess oil on a wire rack and serve immediately with your favorite sweet chili sauce. Enjoy your homemade Fish Shanghai.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.